Welcome to the world of XONJX, a pioneering force in financial engineering and multi-industry innovation. As part of the XIIIth Grade, XONJX is more than a company. It's a movement that integrates expertise across finance, construction, energy, logistics, manufacturing, agriculture, and media. Our mission is to create interconnected growth and foster innovation that transcends traditional business boundaries. In this video, we'll explore how XONJX is redefining what it means to build economic ecosystems, not just offer isolated services. Let's begin our journey into the future of integrated industry leadership. At the heart of XONJX's success is a team of visionary executives. Leaders like Dr. Corey Arnold and Dr. Katina Nunes bring decades of experience, guiding the company with robust leadership and a relentless drive for excellence. Their expertise ensures that every venture is executed with precision and purpose. Supported by a diverse superintendent network, XONJX's leadership is committed to sustained growth, innovation, and the empowerment of every stakeholder. This strong foundation allows us to pursue ambitious goals and deliver results that set new industry standards. XONJX is not limited to one sector. Our reach extends across financial engineering, construction, energy, logistics, manufacturing, agriculture, and media. This multi-industry approach allows us to create synergies that drive sustainable growth and innovation. By fostering interconnected environments, we engineer value that benefits all stakeholders, from partners to communities. Our holistic strategy ensures that each division supports and enhances the others, creating a resilient and adaptive business model ready for the challenges of tomorrow. Introducing the New Jerusalem Economic Engine, XONJX's blueprint for a thriving interconnected economy. Led by Dr. Corey Arnold, Dr. Katina Nunes, and Keenan Woods, this initiative brings together expertise from construction, logistics, IT, safety, administration, credit, media, and manufacturing. The result is a powerhouse capable of driving regional and national growth. Our superintendent network ensures that every project is managed with care, compliance, and a focus on long-term prosperity. This engine is the backbone of our mission to empower communities and businesses alike. XONJX delivers a comprehensive suite of core services designed to meet the needs of modern businesses and communities. From financial engineering and capital solutions to construction, restoration, and renewable energy, our offerings are both broad and deep. We also provide water infrastructure, logistics, manufacturing, media production, and sustainable agriculture solutions. Each service is backed by legal, compliance, and workforce development programs, ensuring that our clients receive not just solutions but lasting value and support. Our financing engine is designed to empower vendors and franchise partners with up to $100,000 in funding. The 15% OFM financial program and vendor buy-in initiatives make it easy for businesses to activate and scale. We offer business and personal credit reconstruction, cash flow engineering, and capital readiness services. By providing these resources, XONJX ensures that partners are equipped to grow, innovate, and succeed in a competitive marketplace. Our approach is about more than funding, it's about building lasting financial health. Choosing XONJX means choosing a partner that engineers entire economic ecosystems. We provide access to capital, a trained and certified workforce, advanced AI-powered operations, and full compliance support. Our professional media and branding services help you stand out, while joint venture opportunities enable you to scale with community and ministry integration. With XONJX, you're not just accessing services, you're joining a network designed for growth, innovation, and long-term success. Do you take the next step? XONJX makes it easy to connect and explore partnership opportunities. Reach out to Arnold Legacy LLC or XONJX OFM via email, phone, or our official website. Our team is dedicated to providing detailed information, support, and guidance as you navigate the path to growth and innovation. Whether you're a vendor, franchise partner, or community leader, we're here to help you succeed. Step into the future with XONJX's New Jerusalem Economic Ecosystem, federal-aligned, capital-driven powerhouse built for real expansion. Our mission is to empower entrepreneurs, contractors, veterans, women, and hub-zone communities by providing access to capital, contracts, workforce, compliance, and technology. Aligned with the XIIIth Grade development framework, we're building a foundation for sustainable, inclusive growth that benefits everyone involved. XONJX delivers a wide range of multi-industry services, including construction, energy, restoration, logistics, agriculture, media, manufacturing, finance, IT, and compliance. Our financing solutions offer up to $100,000, with vendor buy-in programs and credit repair services. The XONJX Workforce Pipeline supports youth, veterans, and transitional workers, providing AI and XR training, OSHA certification, and Procore integration. We also lead in renewable energy and agrivoltaics, designing microfarms and sustainable systems for the future. Sets XONJX apart, we provide capital, compliance, workforce, and technology, guaranteeing scalability for our partners. Our ecosystem ensures that you get financed, certified, and connected to the New Jerusalem network. With XONJX, you gain access to resources and support that competitors simply can't match, making us the partner of choice for ambitious businesses and organizations. XONJX offers internal financing for growth, no banks required. Franchise financing up to $100,000, a 15% structured model for rapid scaling, and a $1,000 vendor buy-in program are just the beginning. We provide credit repair, business credit building, and mentorship, ensuring pre-funding readiness with insurance, compliance, and Procore setup. Our cash flow management, monthly reporting, and on-site audits deliver transparency and confidence for every partner. Construction and restoration services are powered by professional trade superintendents. From light contracting and full remodels to disaster restoration and facility maintenance, we cover every aspect of building and repair. Additional capabilities include electrical, HVAC, plumbing, concrete, and finish carpentry. Our team ensures that every project is completed to the highest standards, with a focus on safety, compliance, and long-term durability. XONJX Renewable Division is building the future with solar panel installation, hydro-solar hybrid microgrid development, and Generac backup power systems. We manufacture recycled batteries, integrate smart station grids, and offer energy audits and retrofitting. Our off-grid system designs and renewable certification ensure that clients benefit from sustainable, compliant energy solutions that are both innovative and reliable. Transportation and Logistics Division is veteran-led, offering CDL training, fleet maintenance, dispatch optimization, and logistics planning. We build commercial transport partnerships and support workforce pipelines, especially for veterans and hub zone communities. With a focus on readiness and operational excellence, XONJX ensures that goods and people move efficiently and safely across the nation. Sustainability is at the core of our water filtration and infrastructure services. We provide whole home filtration, carbon system installation, reverse osmosis solutions, and agricultural water systems. Our expertise extends to commercial water quality control and stormwater engineering, ensuring clean, reliable water for communities and businesses alike. XONJX is committed to sustainable solutions that protect health and the environment. XONJX offers turnkey media, branding, and production services. Our high-end production capabilities include digital communications, XR training content, and immersive learning experiences. We provide government-compliant documentation, branding, public relations, and social media automation. Our corporate storytelling helps federal agencies and businesses communicate their value and mission with clarity and impact. Manufacturing Division is built for scalability and R&D-driven product development. We specialize in renewable component manufacturing, battery recycling, aquaculture, and nutraceutical production. With advanced freeze-drying systems and mycology labs, XONJX supports innovation in food, health, and environmental sustainability. Our superintendent-led teams ensure quality and efficiency at every stage. XONJX is at the forefront of agrivoltaics, combining farming, solar energy, and education for the future of land use. We offer microfarm installations, hybrid land systems, and soil rehabilitation. Our training and development programs prepare the agricultural workforce, while aquaculture system development and USDA-compliant setups ensure sustainable, productive farms. This integrated approach supports food security and environmental stewardship. Powered by New Jerusalem OFM governance, our legal and compliance services include trust law, contract structuring, franchise and JV compliance, and trademark enforcement. We conduct safety and OSHA audits, maintain Procore documentation, and support regulatory filings. Our administrative team ensures that every client operates within a secure, compliant framework, reducing risk and building trust. XONJX leads in technology with AI agent deployment, XR workforce training, and intelligent automation. Our IT infrastructure setup, cloud workflow automation, and cybersecurity compliance provide complete digital solutions. We streamline business processes, protect data, and deliver real-time intelligence, ensuring that every partner is equipped for next-generation operations. Don't just hope for skilled workers, we build them. XONJX's HR and workforce development programs include youth training, veteran reintegration, hub zone hearing, and OSHA certification. Our apprenticeship and protege systems, along with transitional housing workforce programs, create comprehensive support for every stage of career development. The Professor of Trade model ensures that knowledge is passed on and excellence is maintained. XONJX 40 Elite Club is the highest tier within our ecosystem. Members receive contract and financing priority, exclusive multi-million-dollar bids, regional franchise rights, and full access to AI trade agent suites. This premium access ensures that our top partners are always at the forefront of opportunity, innovation, and growth within the XONJX network. XONJX is dedicated to empowering communities through access to capital, workforce development, and technology. Our programs are designed to uplift entrepreneurs, veterans, women, and hub zone areas, ensuring that everyone has the tools and resources needed to thrive. By fostering inclusive growth, we create lasting impact and shared prosperity. Sustainability is at the core of XONJX's mission. From renewable energy and water systems to agrivoltaics and manufacturing, we prioritize solutions that protect the environment and support long-term growth. Our commitment to innovation ensures that every project is designed with the future in mind, balancing economic success with ecological responsibility. Technology integration is a hallmark of XONJX. Our AI-powered operations, XR training, and cloud-based workflows streamline processes and enhance productivity. By leveraging the latest advancements, we help partners stay ahead of the curve and adapt to an ever-changing business landscape. Compliance and security are non-negotiable at XONJX. Our rigorous legal frameworks, safety audits, and cybersecurity protocols protect our clients and their data. We ensure that every operation meets or exceeds regulatory standards, providing peace of mind and a foundation for sustainable growth. Our workforce pipeline is designed to support youth, veterans, and transitional workers. Through AI and XR training, OSHA certification, and hands-on experience, we prepare the next generation of skilled professionals. This pipeline ensures a steady flow of talent ready to meet the demands of modern industry. XONJX offers a range of partnership opportunities, from vendor programs and joint ventures to franchise development and elite club membership. Our collaborative approach ensures that every partner benefits from shared knowledge, resources, and growth potential. Together, we build stronger businesses and communities. As we conclude, remember that XONJX is more than a service provider. It's a movement dedicated to building economic ecosystems and empowering the future. Whether you're seeking capital, technology, workforce solutions, or sustainable innovation, XONJX is your partner for growth. Join us as we shape the future of industry, community, and prosperity together.